Hello, this is my Minecraft tutorial. How to survive in Minecraft. This is day 1. So, single player, there's multiplayer with 2 or 3 people. And Minecraft 1 with lots of people. Options, quick game, and I don't know what that thingy is. But this press single player and this Java this. Okay, so to play select world, which we can't do because we didn't select one yet. Just edit, delete, recreate, cancel, and create new world. Just press create new world. Oh, can't go back to the other screen. This can't go back to the other screen. Does create new world, more world option, survivor, search for resources, crafting, gain levels, health, and hunger. If you want to be then going hardcore, same as survival, lock at hardest differently and 1 life only. So that means if you die, your world is deleted like kaploof, gone. Then there's also creative, unlimited resource, free flying, and destroy blocks instantly. But just go on survivor. New one. More options. Default, that's normal. The gender structures on. Yes. Level teach on. Protest on. Floor type default, that's normal. Super flat. So structures only 3 blocks. There's large biomes. Unlimited. No, just for fun. Customize. Direct no. There's all this stuff. Sea level 34. Rowdy. Dungeon count. River size. 5. Biome. I'm not gonna do that. Done. And create an award. This might take a while. Ooh. I like this plate. That's good spawn point. Oops. Let's see. Okay. Okay. W to walk. S to go backwards. D right. A left. E to open up your inventory. Armor slots, which are not over yet. Offense slot. Crafting, but we can't craft anything right now. Crafting. Output. Hotbar. And inventory. Oh, heart, hunger, and levels. This is hotbar down here. You can scroll the mouse scroller there, and right click to paste, left click to destroy. Everything involves their blocks. Oh, good cave. I think I'm gonna make my house there. No, there, yes. And, there are, let me just punch some wood. Get some wood. I'm gonna go punch some wood. And it's gonna pop into my inventory. I'm gonna punch some wood. It's gonna go in my inventory. Is that okay? No, it's not. Okay, just punch this wood, punch it all, punch, 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 and let it pop into my hand. Wait, yeah, pop into my hand. Oh yeah. Can stack to only 64, so that's sort of a bummer. Whoa, that's a huge ravine. That, my friends, is a ravine. Oh, full chest. Good. Either one. Right click to open a chest. Ooh, I have a stone axe, a wooden pickaxe, some spruce wood, some acacia wood, sticks, and lots of types of wood. Wood. There's oak wood, birch wood, spruce wood, acacia wood, dark oak wood, and jungle wood. Salmon, bread, and 2 apples. Left click to break the chest. Left click to break the torches. Okay, I'm gonna check out that ravine and show you guys what it looks like. I've seen some in my times on my clip. Oh, and plus sifts. Sifts so you won't fall off into the ravine. This will be interesting. But ravine close to your spawn point, so it doesn't matter. Okay. Again, whoa, that's a good ravine. There's some gold over there. Yes, iron, coal, iron. Whoa. This stone pickaxe to destroy iron, but a wooden one you can destroy coal. Whoa, I love this one. I'll check out that one more advanced. Oh, it looks like no, that's okay. Okay. Okay, so we better get a house quick. There's a few ways to make a house. Well, there's if you could go in a mushroom with we have none near. There's a normal house, a hidey hole with the dig inside of a hill or mountain, this one, and a ground home with the dig on ground, and and if there's a pathway to a cave, then make that your home. I'm just gonna check out this. Oh no, okay. Oh, that formed of clay. This is door, and yeah. Gotta go to the underground house. So do it right over here. So just left click to break this door. Ugh, lag. Serious lag. Okay, dig down. I do it until I get stone. Oh, and this dig. So just dig out your little home. Okay. That's for my chest. Okay. Now make so put some any wood any wood in here to get 4 spruce wood. 4 planks. Then I'm going to do a crafting then make 4 like this. 4 plank like this and make a crafting table. Oh, I should do this inside. And place your crafting table wherever you would like. Right click on the crafting table and put 2 of any wood there. And get all this planks, and when planks 6 by 2 like this, and you'll get a door. A door. Got a door, which I don't really like. Good. Okay. And we're gonna make a garden. Ooh, the coal already. Gonna make a little garden soon. I'm gonna do a mining area. Do some mining. Just left click with the pickaxe and mine the stone. Oh, that's right enough. Need 8 to take a furnace, but I have 11, so that's good. I could make a new pickaxe. So do 2 sticks like this, then 3 cobblestone like the head of the pickaxe. You'll get a stone pickaxe. And you don't need a stone pick to get seeds, but still, no, make one. Okay. Two seeds. Okay, good. Okay. So once you have your seeds, you could go in your house and I need a hoe. Okay. You put 2 sticks like this and put 2 planks like this, and you'll get a wooden hoe. And I might well put a torch up first. Okay. Why not teach you how to make those? When you put your hoe in your hand, then right click on the door. You hold the door. Then right click to put the seeds on. Then wait for it to grow into wheat. Skin duck. No. Okay. Let's do some more mining. Just left click again on the stone, and it'll stop mining. Stone will pop into your inventory. Or your hotbar. If your hotbar's full, then it'll pop into your inventory, but if your hotbar's not full, it'll pop into your hotbar. Which, once again, is down here. Okay, potatoes. Keep on mining. Okay, so keep on mining. And and you can also strip mine. So this mine is strip. And well, I'm gonna go back up to my home, but you can keep on mining. And I'm gonna end the video and waiting for the seeds to grow. Okay? So and